Hi guys, so today we are going to be making some sort of like art, a city night backdrop. So as you can see, I've created it like this. So here are some buildings, a road and more buildings, and of course a moon. So let's create this. Of course I'm going to delete the cat, add some backdrops, a rectangle, fill some sort of like a road color, get here white. Alright, this looks like a road, so let me just okay, now we have a perfect road. Let me just increase the outline size to like 10, yeah, there you go. Now we are going to create another rectangle for a building. I'm going to make the building of this color. Okay, boom. Make it a little bit short. It's gonna okay, alright. And then another one. Then get it thin. Alright, there you go. I have one building. I'm going to make sort of like a window. What color should I get? Boom. Alright, this color is going to be perfect. And boom, there you go. Now we are having another rectangle over here of maybe red. Boom. This one is going to be a big building. So just copy and paste this. Boom. 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 Alright, this looks perfect. Let me just position it. Alright, yeah, there you go. So now we're going to have a night background. So let me get this dark blue color. Okay, alright. Then I'm going to be like how do you get this image back? Alright. Wait, just a second. You have to do everything forward, cause like just delete the windows for now. A boom and a boom. Do this forward a lot of times. And boom, you just put this back and you do these two circles forward. Now they come forward. Alright, boom, put it here, create windows again. This time I'm going to use this color. Alright. Copy paste. So there you go. We have some buildings and a city night background. Now what we need is obviously a moon. I'm going to get the same color as the windows. It is 2200. Alright, boom. There you go. No outline. Get a dark blue circle, same as the background color. No outline again. And just add like this circle right here. Now we have a moon. Now what we need is a star, of course. Okay, alright. Boom, select the same color and have some lines. The color was 2200. Alright, we're gonna have 5 the line thickness. Alright, This is gonna be a small star. Boom, 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 boom. This looks sort of like a star. I know. It's hard to create a star. Let me just make it my way. So like my way is pretty easy. Boom, 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 and boom. There you go, you have a star. Create multiple of these. One over here. Okay, I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, be sure to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye.